In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Jira internal error step by step using simple, practical methods that work in most cases. Jira internal errors can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of managing issues, boards, or sprint planning. The good news is that most of the time, this error isn't permanent and can be resolved quickly without any technical expertise. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump straight in. The first thing you should always try is a simple refresh and retry. When you see a Jira internal error, refresh the page using your browser's reload button, or by pressing Ctrl and R on Windows, or Command and R on Mac. After the page reloads, try performing the same action again, whether that's opening a board, loading the calendar, or editing an issue. Many internal errors are temporary glitches caused by a brief connection issue or a stalled request, and a refresh alone can often resolve it. If refreshing doesn't work, move on to the next step, which is trying Jira in an Incognito window or a different browser. Open a new Incognito or private browsing window in your browser and log into Jira from there. This helps rule out issues caused by cached data, cookies, or browser extensions. Alternatively, try accessing Jira from a completely different browser, such as switching from Chrome to Edge or Firefox. If Jira works fine in Incognito or another browser, then the issue is almost certainly related to your original browser's cache or extensions. The next step is to log out and log back in to your Jira account. Click on your profile icon, log out completely, then close the browser tab. After that, reopen your browser, go back to your Jira site, and sign in again. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication-related issues that sometimes trigger internal errors, especially if your login session has expired or become corrupted. If the problem still persists, the next thing you should check is Atlassian's system status. Open a new tab and go to the Atlassian status page. Here, you can see if Jira Software, Jira Service Management, or other Atlassian services are experiencing outages or degraded performance. If there's an ongoing incident, then the internal error is on Atlassian's side, and the best option is to wait until the issue is resolved. Knowing this can save you a lot of time and unnecessary troubleshooting. Finally, if everything looks normal but the error keeps appearing, try performing a lighter action in Jira. For example, instead of opening a complex board view, try opening a simple issue or navigating to a different project. Avoid heavy actions like loading reports or calendars temporarily. Sometimes specific views or features can trigger internal errors due to temporary backend issues, and switching to a lighter action allows Jira to load correctly. Once Jira is stable again, you can return to the original task. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix most Jira internal errors quickly and get back to work without stress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Jira tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.